Web app vulnerabilities in WordPress. In this video, I will show you how you can find vulnerabilities in WordPress applications. So let's begin. Just open google.com and search for WordPress virtual appliance and click on this link. And now we need to just click on this ISO image file to download. You can also download OVF file of VMware or VirtualBox. I have already downloaded this image file into my D drive. So now just open VMware Workstation and create a new virtual machine. Select typical, click on next. Click on next. Select version Ubuntu, click on next. Give name for this virtual machine. Where do you want to install this virtual machine? Give the path. I will install it into VHD turnkey_demo folder. Click on next. Click on next. You can define size more than 20 GB. Click on next. Click on finish. Here you can see turnkey_4_demo virtual machine has been created. Just click on CD DVD. Select use ISO image file, and I have a ISO image file of turnkey WordPress. Just click on OK. Now power on this virtual machine. Maximize this virtual machine. Select install to hard disk and click enter. It will boot this ISO image file. Use first option guided, use entire disk and set up LVM. Click on OK. Click on yes. Click on OK. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click on yes. Define password for a root account. I am giving password 123@abcd. 123@abcd. Same for MySQL. Same for admin account of WordPress. Apply, enable, click on yes. Skip it. Here you can see URL to access this virtual machine for WordPress, web shell, adminer, SSH, SFTP. Now we just need to go to the Kali Linux. Now log in with root account. Open terminal. Open Firefox. Here you can see I have IP address of 192.168.159.148. So just define IP address of the remote machine 148. Maximize Firefox. Here you can see login as admin and get blogging. Username is admin and give password. Password is 123@abcd. It is logged in. Click on this user button. Add a new. Add a user, like user is Bob. Define email ID for bob@example.com. Define a name, first name for Bob. Give me simple password 123@abc. Confirm use of weak password. Click on add new user. Here you can see plugin button. There is already many plugin already installed on this WordPress. Here you can see like Akismet, Anti-Spam and Hello Dolly. So now we have created user with the name of Bob. Now we need to just open another terminal and search for a wpscan command using tab, and it's working. So type wpscan URL of the WordPress 192.168.159.148. Here you can see IP address of this virtual machine. And now enumerate for a user. Here you can see we can gather users information using wpscan command. Now if we need to gather information about plugin, use wpscan --URL, define URL, enumerate for a plugin, define P option. Here you can see we have theme informations available, CSS information, it is very important. So we can gather plugins information of the WordPress application, and it is very helpful for attackers to attack on the WordPress sites. So now let me check present working directory and let me create one file, password.txt, and define password and just save it and just read password.txt. Now let me attack on the WordPress site using dictionary attack. Define URL 192.168.159.148 dash dash word list. Define path of the word list. Password.txt. Here you can see we can get the password of admin and Bob users also. So hope you understand how we can find vulnerabilities of WordPress websites. So thank you for watching this video.